see this is the concrete block staircase going all the way up. That's 8816 reinforced concrete block units, concrete masonry units, CMU. Okay, welcome back. This is an assembly of a block wall, a 8816 block wall that has vertical reinforcing. Number 5's at 32 inches on center grouted, as well as some other parts, horizontal reinforcing as well. So all I did in our assembly screen, I entered in the square footage of those two staircases, the total square footage of the block wall, and what got generated were all these items. Now, the only thing that didn't get generated was the scaffolding system that I needed. So I chose this out of the database, these three items, which happened to be the rental of the climber, the install and the removal of it, and then some safety equipment. Quantified those three items. And so what you see over here are the different crews. You see for the grouting, you have a D4 crew, and it shows you the people that make up that crew. Likewise, for the block itself, it shows you there's 3 bricklayers and 2 helpers along with that. And so it gives you the production rates per man hour, as well as the blended rate per man hour, because we have different people at different rates. And it extends it all out here to our cost, cost per unit of measure extended out. So these two columns here are our cost side. And of course, these, after markups are spread, these become your sell price per unit of measure or the total. It's just that simple. There you go. Sage estimating. Real fast and real easy.